to travel around the world. Walk with lions and bungee jump off cliffs. Visit 100 countries and 8 wonders of the world. Experience culture and travel on a budget. Well, tune on into Mr. 100 Countries Visited.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? What's the word? What's the deal? Hopefully everything is alright. So, man, if you recall and if you've been watching, hopefully you have. If not, go back and watch all them videos from Japan to South Korea, North